What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another summer cocktail. So this is my summer cocktail 2023 number 2. So today's cocktail is the White Wine Spritzer. So if you've ever watched The Simpsons, season 10 episode 10, Viva Los Flanders, is when Homer and Ned Flanders go to Las Vegas as Ned feels he hasn't lived up to his potential, as he feels he's not lived his life. So Homer shows him a good time in Las Vegas, where Ned Flanders has a white wine spritzer, and the next scene is absolutely hilarious. As it's something like from The Hangover, where they stay in a hotel room and they get married to two waitresses. It's a really good episode.
Give me a white wine spritzer. 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 Spritzer.
But that's what we're making today, white wine spritzer. It's real simple to make, and I will show you how. So get your wine glass and fill it with ice. For my white wine, I'm using a chili one, so I'm using the Pinot Grigio. So it's a beautiful wine, it's a nice one from Chile. The Casero del Diablo. So what we're going to do is fill it up with 3 ounces, which is 90. So we're going to fill it up with 3 ounces, which is 90 ml. And what should happen now is you just fill up to about 2/3 of a glass. And next, I'm using, so for mine, I'm using sparkling water. You can use club soda if you wish, but I'm using Pellegrino. And all we're doing with this is just topping it up. So there you go, it's got to say, so 45 ml or 1.5 ounces of sparkling water or club soda. And the final thing to do now is garnish it with a lime slice. And there it is, as simple as that. Really, really simple but effective. It's a crisp, refreshing drink, and it certainly gets the party started. It's a nice, crisp one on a summer's hot day. You can see why Ned Flanders went for it in Las Vegas. I wish I had. So that, guys, is how you make a white wine spritzer. So my recommendation is to chill the wine and chill the sparkling waters to get the best effects of this. It's a chilled drink. And there we go, it's simple as that. That is how you make the white wine spritzer, my summer cocktail number 2. So the most important thing is, how does it taste? It's quite a bittery taste. One thing I will say, I can taste the wine, that's a quality wine, so I can taste the floral notes coming out of it. But the sparkling water is certainly something else. It's quite nice, I'd probably rate it 6.5 out of 10. It's not my favourite one I'd go to. But in terms of refreshness and crisp, I think it's a quality one to have, especially with someone like on a nice, as we're having beautiful weather here in the UK, so I would recommend it for that. It's real simple to make, really quick to make. Just basically white wine with sparkling water, club soda. I think club soda would be my go-to, that'd be my thing. I will say it's a sparkling water to make it that a little bit of a bitter aftertaste with the wine. But I can certainly drink it though. It's certainly relax in the garden like I am right now. So I thought, why not? Enjoy the sunshine we've got in the UK, we're not used to it. If I drank enough, I'd certainly end up in the state of Ned Flanders in Las Vegas, as that is certainly a fun drink to make. It's certainly nice and quick, I'd recommend it for that. But just for the appeal of me, as I was thinking, I was watching The Simpsons the other week, that's what gave me this idea, this white wine spritz. I've never had it, this is the first time I've ever had it, so it's a peculiar taste, but I wonder whether club soda will work better. That's my personal opinion. So that, guys, is the White Wine Spritzer. What is your favourite spritzer? Do let me know in the comments below. But if you are new around here, don't forget to like, subscribe to MixedSid, as we're so close now to our goal of 2K. So we're just 41 short now, so we're very nearly there. So stay tuned for more summer cocktails. Any recommendations, do let me know in the comments below. But have an awesome day, and I will see you for my next summer cocktail. Cheers.